Earthworms, vital for soil health, have the ability to consume soil, extracting the nutrients from organic waste and transporting these minerals and nutrients to the surface from below. Organic matter, in the form of dung, is often utilised as a food source by earthworms, but little has been researched on the preference of different dung in an agricultural setting. J. Scone and G. Barker from the Australian National University in Canberra have studied the influence of livestock dung on the abundance of exotic and native earthworms in grassland southeastern Australia. This experiment focused on 2 native Australian earthworm species and 3 exotic earthworm species, and their response to dung from sheep, cattle, and horses. A plot of grazing property located north of Canberra was used for this experiment. Artificial dung packs made from horse, cattle, and sheep dung were laid on top of the pasture within the 1,260 metre square plot. The pads were individually added to a random location on the square grid of sampling points, where each point was 3 metres from its nearest neighbour. The soil beneath each pad was sampled for earthworms 10, 20 and 30 days after the dung placement, and 10 other sampling points of the grid without any dung were also sampled. The attractiveness of the dung was measured by determining the abundance and biomass of the earthworm species after the 0, 10, 20 and 30 days. The results found that the dung available and the number of days it was available both contributed to the biomass and the numbers of earthworms beneath the dung. It was clear that the native species was much more predominant over the exotic species within the result. The graph shows the abundance of the adult earthworms in soil beneath cattle, horse and sheep dung on different days, 10, 20 and 30. Different letters above each bar indicate significant differences between days for each dung treatment. Hand sorting may have underestimated earthworm abundance. The smaller exotic species, which are hard to distinguish from fibrous organic matter, may have been overlooked. This is in comparison to our larger native earthworms, which are found just below the root zone where the soil broke up easily. Among the 5 earthworm species, horse dung was the most preferred. Cattle dung was also favoured, and sheep dung was not attractive to any earthworm species. Some dung became more attractive in time, but reasons for this apparent change in rate of attractiveness are not known. There was also a decrease in the abundance of some earthworm species during the 30 days, which was possibly linked to the decreasing soil moisture as summer approached. From the study, it appears that the relative attractiveness of dung to different earthworms is likely to be quite variable. It would seem likely that the dung burial by earthworm will vary between sites, and earthworm abundance and local species composition will be important in this